Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to create something like this for your logos. Let's get started. The first thing that we need is a logo. I have something right here. Let's create an extrude. Add your logo to the extrude and change the movement to 90. Select the logo spline and move it in seed, but hold down shift and move it to 40. Next, let's go to mograph and click on this area right here. Select the cloner and the fracture and close. Go to the fracture object and change the mode to explode segments and connect. Now we need to create a cube and change the size to 10. Select the cloner, change the mode to grid array, and in here let's change this one to 20.01. Because we're going to use a lot of clones, let's first do this size part. So let's change these ones to 290.1 and the last one 590.1. The next thing that we need, it's a bool object. Inside the boolean type, change it to A intersects B. Put the bool object inside the fracture and the cube inside the cloner. Select the cloner and change the count for the first one to 60 and the second one to 30. Make sure your logo is inside this rectangle. If not, you need to make it a little bit smaller. Now we need to put the cloner inside the bool and the extrude in that order, and you will have something like this. Select the fracture, go to mograph, effector, plane. Let's go to parameter and check scale and uniform scale and put it -1. Let's go to the fall off and add a linear fall off. Change the direction to -x, and then let's add a random fill. Change the blending to overlay, and let's see what we have with the linear right here. It's really easy and quick. You can also use this one for different effects, like let's see, uncheck position and scale, change the rotation and change this to 360, and now you have a different effect. You can change the color of your object right here. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Bye.